Hello everyone and welcome to Neat Mentor. Uh, the counseling schedule is getting viral on the social media, particularly on Telegram, regarding MCC All India quota 50% DNB deemed university and Central Institute counseling schedule. So as per that, I will tell you, you don't have to completely rely on it, but it might be on the way to get posted on the official website, that is MCC. Okay, sometime it happens that the server doesn't work as per expectation, and it takes some time to get it live for public. So uh, the the notification which might have come from some medium, okay, some sources, and it says that the registration is going to start. I will tell you the dates and all. uh, Before that, if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel, because you can understand how important is this platform. And we are also open for accepting new request for paid counseling guidance. For that also, you can try to get it available as soon as possible, so that we keep everything ready for you, and on the time we get all the details available to you. So as per that notification, the schedule for online, it says the heading schedule for online PG counseling, MD, MS, diploma, PG, DNB courses for 100% deemed Central Universities FMS, only registration bar, and 100% PG DNB seats for the academic year 2021 is available, and the registration is starting from 12th of January up to 7th of January. 6 days time for registration. Okay, choice filling is starting from 13th of January to 17th of January. Choice filling, and the verification of internal candidates respected to particular university will be happening on 18th of January to 19th January. Processing of allotment from 20 to 21st, and result will be published on 2nd. Reporting is starting from 23rd to 28th January. Okay, and round 2 counseling starting from 3rd of February to 7th of February, the registration date, and 4th February to 7th February is the choice filling date. Okay, and locking date, verification between 8 February to 9 February, and the round 2 processing allotment will be happening between 10 to 11, and on 12th round 2 result. So round 1 result on 22nd of January, and round 2 result on 12th of February, and then we can expect our cutoff revision to happen. So let me summarize once again. You don't have to 100% rely on this information, since it's getting propagated on the social media platform. I am informing you. So registration for the round 1 will start on 12th of January, and registration for round 2 will start on 3rd of February. Result will be published on 22nd of January, and for round 2 on 12th of February, and then we can expect by, so as I was telling that by mid of February you can expect the cutoff revision to happen, and then we'll have mop up round. Okay, so we will update you as soon as it gets published on the official website. Okay, I'll tell you where you have to visit to see the notification for MCC schedule, which is the next step, and then all the other state counseling authority will quickly start their registration. Okay, so mcc.nic.in, you have to type in your browser, and you will to able to find the website. Okay, so thanks for watching, and we'll meet again with the actual update.